Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm right back into it and I've got something good for you. So let's get right into it. So today we have OmniVoice. We're going to run OmniVoice. It's a new model that has dropped just a week, so there's not much information about it, but we're going to get it to run on Google Colabs using the Gradio UI. This model is actually insane. It has 600 plus voices. Generation is fast, and also it has 3 models: voice cloning, voice design, and auto voice. So you just it's crazy, man. You just see it for yourself. So what you'll do, head over to this repository here. It is in my GitHub repo. Just click on open in Colab and you'll be good to go. So I'll leave this link in the description to test it for yourself. So let's just click this. So now we are in Google Colabs. Once you are here, make sure you see on the top here, you can make sure it's connected to T4 GPU. Your runtime is T4 GPU, and just click on run all. That's it. This model, this TTS actually runs fast. The installation is quite speedy compared to the other models that I've worked with. So it's really nice. You can see the installation will take around 24 seconds. Installing dependencies. So this is actually a really good model. I've only seen one person that has touched on this TTS. 24 seconds for installation, then we load model, then cell 3 will launch the Gradio UI. There is so much customization in this model. So that's it. Once you have that, it has confirmed that we have T4 GPU. Now it's downloading the model. The model actually itself is not really huge, so it's going to spin up real quick compared to the other models like Chatterbox and all that. Takes a long time to run, but they always deliver. So in this channel I've handled numerous amounts of TTS, and I really appreciate the support, guys. I'm currently at 171 subs. I'm trying to get to 500. So if you are here, make sure you support this channel by just subscribing. So once that's done, cell 3 has run, just scroll to the here, you'll get your link, Gradio link. You can use it here, but I don't like it. I just need a clean new tab. Just click on that. You'll be sent to this page now. So here is where we interact with the model, and let's explore it together and see what we have. So I'm just going to first test out with this. Let's example here. Click on that. Hello OmniVoice supports 600 languages with state-of-the-art voice cloning. So now we are at auto voice, so it's going to select random voice to generate with. So I'm good with that. I'm just going to say generate. Notice how quick it's going to be. Yes, it's done, literally done. Click on that.
Hello, OmniVoice supports over 600 languages with state-of-the-art voice cloning.
So that's what do you call it? Random voice generation. Just click on that and done. So let's handle you can see there is non-verbal tags. You can just say laughter. So I've just inserted laughter here. So let's generate. We expect the person to laugh at the end.
Hello. OmniVoice supports over 600 languages with state-of-the-art voice cloning.
So that's it. You can see there's that laughter. Also, I don't like the auto because I don't have much control of the voice. So let's try to go to voice cloning first, because many people love voice cloning. So let's try voice cloning someone here or anything. So you just need to upload your reference voice that is clear. As always, voice cloning requires a clear input. So that's what. You can also give a transcription. I normally leave it at that. I don't give it, it's optional. Then generate. So what I'm going to do is I have this MKBHD voice here. I'm going to use that. So let's do this.
Way into the box was kind of unintuitive and difficult, to be honest.
So this guy's voice. So we're just going to do that. I'm going to upload. So let's listen at the reference voice.
No, I haven't gotten any communication from them at all.
So that's the reference voice, and we add our text here and just hit generate. So let's check it out. Going to spin a little wide, but this model is actually faster. That's what I'm insisting. Fast. For you to have limited resources like Google Colabs and be fast, it's actually insane. It's actually insane. So let's wait to spin. The first time, normally when generating, when you are switching between the voices, normally takes a longer period.
OmniVoice supports over 600 languages with state-of-the-art voice cloning.
You can see that it's really good.
No, I haven't gotten any.
It's really
Hello. OmniVoice supports over 600 languages with state-of-the-art voice cloning.
It's really good. So so that's, I tried to find a video where he is doing something and just copied the transcription. So here,
So I had to rip some cardboard to get to these fasteners behind the phone, holding it in, and untwist those. Didn't feel very premium, but
so that, let's look. So let's look for the text. I had to rip something like that. I'm just going to paste this here. Make sure I copied. Then generate. Actually, it's quite longer, so we are even getting some testing on longer text. You know, people have suggested that I normally make short text when you see it's long, but it actually has finished.
open-faced cardboard box, which is unique. I don't think I've ever seen that before. But then actually getting the rest of the way into the box was kind of unintuitive and difficult, to be honest. I had to rip some cardboard to get to these fasteners behind the phone, holding it in, and untwist. Those didn't feel very premium, but I suppose that's forgivable at this price.
You see? Let's go back to the video.
I suppose that's forgivable at this price. And then there is no charger or cable included in the box.
Actually, it's pretty good, man.
And then there is no charger or cable included in the box. And while it's a rare 2026 phone that does have removable batteries,
Man, I can't complain. if this is totally free, I'm not paying for anything, I can't really complain about that. So next, let's move on to voice design. So let's go to voice design. So here on voice design, you can actually describe the accent that you want. They call it voice style preset, but I call it accent. So it's actually the accent, yeah. So let's we can actually decide to just use this, but let's remove that. Let's welcome, today is our deep dive, and then go voice design. So female British, you can also customize the extraction, but let's hit generate. So the generation is done. Let's just play it.
Welcome to our podcast. Today we are diving deep into the world of open source AI.
So that's female British. Let's choose another one. Male American accent. Hit generate. It's done. Literal done. Faster.
Welcome to our podcast. Today we are diving deep into the world of open source AI.
So we can also generate something like female Indian accent. Let's generate. Actually, this Indian accent of female, it's pretty good actually.
Welcome to our podcast. Today we are diving deep into the world of open source AI.
Yeah. I can't say anything, man. It's really good. Let's go to, that's voice design, but we are not yet finished on voice design, because if you don't want, if you don't like this, you can actually customize, go to custom, type your own. So here you're going to now to give the instruction, something like female high pitch, Australian accent, whisper. So just give the design yourself now. So I've just got some presets here. I'm just going to copy this. Female very high pitch and young adult. Paste this here and hit generate.
Welcome to our podcast. Today we are diving deep into the world of open source AI.
I don't know where the background noise came from, but pretty good.
Welcome to our podcast. Today we are diving deep into the world of open source AI.
Sorry for that, got distracted a while there. So what I'm going to do now, we have female. We can also elder, something like this. Just mess around with this customization, see it for yourself.
Welcome to our podcast. Today we are diving deep into the world of open source AI.
Yeah, so that's OmniVoice. It supports 600 plus languages. My demo has just been in English, and I think I'm really going to focus on it, go deeper, but in the meantime, check it out, try it out. Actually, this is insane. So that's it from me today. Kindly subscribe. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out.